So everything is just one touch.
One touch triggers this home automation system to jump into action. Kind of like how one woman's story inspired an entire group of leaders in the smart home industry to build this cutting-edge green home.
It was also a way to make lemonade out of lemons because we had just experienced this disaster and we wanted to really do something that was special when we started to rebuild.
Kim Erle and her family lost their 1940-style cottage on the Hamptons during Hurricane Sandy.
And we're coming up on the 3rd anniversary of the storm, so it's been a very long time.
A long time and a lot of effort. But the family's house has been rebuilt and sort of reborn as the Sunset Green Home.
We really are, we've built what we think is sort of a house of the future, and we're really excited to finally have the keys to it and begin to use it.
When we were approached for the project, it's something we jumped on immediately to kind of merge the green concept with automation.
Integrator Jeff Sakkal, along with several manufacturer sponsors, the builder, architect, and more, use the Elon platform to create the ultimate connected green home. And what's so great about this home automation system is it can tell when the Erle family is coming home and pulling into the driveway, and it triggers all of these lights to turn on. What's even better is the LED lights throughout the home are only triggered when needed, which is only one small part of the Sunset Green Home's energy-conscious technology. There's also an efficient HVAC system that uses an air source heat pump and connected shades to shield the sun.
I can press a button and the shades will automatically come down.
Energy Star appliances and induction cooking technology conserve in the kitchen, and a solar array produces almost all of the home's energy.
We can monitor it remotely. We can understand what each of the 16 panels is doing at any given time.
And not to mention the home's envelope.
We have 2 air changes per hour in this house because our building envelope is very tight. By way of comparison, a code-compliant house has to be as tight as 7 natural air changes per hour.
And because the envelope is so tight, you want to make sure you have fresh air in the house. Erle's home has an energy recovery ventilator, or ERV.
It brings fresh air in from the outside. It expels stale air from the inside in a balanced way, so exactly the same amount of air is going out as is coming in.
For a homeowner, I'm sure you're thinking Erle knows a lot about sustainability.
It's a little bit of chicken and egg, but I am LEED accredited because of the home. But the home is green because we are sustainability minded.
Her goal for the home is LEED Platinum. Erle's other goal is to assure her family's new green dream home isn't going anywhere.
Hurricane Sandy made us move out of our home.
The Sunset Green Home was built 2 more feet above sea level than the current code requires, sits on 130 pilings, and has impact-resistant glass.